is also arriving.
In December, the judiciary released the proposed guidelines for bail, the sentencing guidelines for courts of judicature, and that on state brief with an invite for review by the legal brains. Now, sections of lawyers have come out to criticize these proposed bail guidelines.
That the guidelines fail broadly to give guidance on where the court has got a discretion to grant bail and where bail is mandatory and must be granted. And I think the fear is that the common interpretation is that the court can refuse bail even when the mandatory periods have been triggered of 180 and 60 days.
Arguing that it overrides the Constitution by overstepping the authority of the judiciary.
And even if I am to refer to all, from A to E, under bail report, it still fights the principle of presumption of innocence under Article 28. Because the law is presuming that we are innocent until prosecution, proves me otherwise. But again, here under 24, the guidelines give the implementers of the law, in this case the judicial officers, to judge me.
More dangerous on the reasons for denial. They make a laundry list and they say, if it is in the public interest not to grant the plea. Now, if you have 14 or 15 reasons above, and then you leave this car window, called public interest, and you know what we say about public interest, it's an unruly horse. When you mount it, you don't know where it will end.
The legal minds held the deliberations under the auspices of the United Nations Human Rights Office of the High Commissioner to consolidate ideas on areas for review.
We believe, for example, that if smartly used, these guidelines could contribute to decongestioning prisons by ensuring that those inmates who are eligible to bail or to bond or others could benefit from these provisions.
President Museveni, a fortnight ago, showed delight about the formulation of a guidebook on bail for judicial officers at the launch of the 2022 new law year.
As the CJ was saying, I'm very happy with that new law, the judicature.
The proposal for removal of the bail for capital offences was proposed by Museveni, who has also turned it into a sing-song every time he interacts with the judiciary. Jackson Onyango, NTV.